Friday morning, and we got a crypto crash. We got Bitcoin down 10%, some altcoins bleeding hard. What the hell is going on? I thought we were starting a bull market. Let me explain, guys, let me explain. So I'll tell you what I done this morning. I got out of bed, I got my clothes on, I got ready to go to the gym. Then I just logged on to check the price of Bitcoin, as I do every day, just to stay in touch with the markets. When I looked at my app, I was like, what the hell is going on here? Bitcoin is down to $26,000. It's down like 4 grand. It's down like over 10%. What the hell is happening here? So rather than rushing out the door to the gym, when things like this happen, I have action to take. Maybe you take it too. But I had to go open up the laptop, contact my broker, and smash buy. And I bought a lot of Bitcoin. Because that's what I do. That's what I've always done. When there's big crashes, I buy. As well as doing DCA, but when there's big crashes, I buy. That's not financial advice. I'm not saying that's what you should do. But I'm just telling you what I done and what I do. Now, will it go lower? Maybe. Probably. Will I care? Nope. Not one bit. But why did it go so low? What the hell caused the thing to crash 10% in the 10 minutes? Or overnight? And it comes down to news. Everyone that we consult with, we teach them about how this market's manipulated. And they have to expect the market manipulation. And it doesn't really affect you. Once you're aware of it, it's just part of being in the market. So that means that you're ready for the market manipulation. You accept that market manipulation is going to happen, and rather than being on the opposite side of the market manipulation, which is where your emotions are tied with, and we've had some in the retire early group there, the lads doing amazing work, coaching one of the other guys who's like, my portfolio's down, and they're telling me to buy more. Like, what the hell? This is why you need to be in a community. You need some accountability, because it'll help your success. And you try and do this stuff on your own, you're not able to take the action, because ultimately getting rich is by buying low, okay? And when you're buying something low, there's a reason you're buying it low, because there's blood on the streets, guys, okay? So it's never an easy purchase. That's the irony. Everyone thinks you just get lucky and buy Bitcoin, but then when they get the opportunity, like today, they sit on the sidelines and go, it could go lower, I won't do it, okay? So the markets have been manipulated. The news came out, it was a report from SpaceX, okay, a company owned by Elon Musk, who own Bitcoin, and there was a news report that they sold some Bitcoin, possibly up to 200 or 300 millions worth. Now the thing about that is, first off, this news isn't verified, so that's the market manipulation, that anyone can just write any sort of a spook article, fire it out there, cause extreme panic, cause the market to pull back, cause retail people to panic and buy high and sell low, while institutions scoop in and buy the coins, often for cheap. Anthony Collins and all our customers and retire early people, we scoop in and we buy them up for cheap. So, but the irony is that a simple news article can crash the price 10%. That's crazy, and it's not even verified. Elon didn't verify it, SpaceX didn't verify it. Doesn't matter. Crash the markets. Happy days. It's an opportunity, guys. Look at it like that. Today's a good day to buy Bitcoin. Every day is a good day to buy Bitcoin, provided you're prepared to hold the Bitcoin for 4 years. It's always a good time to buy Bitcoin. The time to buy Bitcoin is 10 years ago. It's the same as planting a tree. The time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. Or today. Today is the day. And today is an even special day because it's 10% down. And I will take that all day long. And that's why I delayed going to the gym this morning. And I had to get on to my broker. If you want a good broker, shoot me a message. I'll give you a good recommendation. All my customers get 50% off broker fees. But shoot me a private message, especially, if you're buying 100 quid of Bitcoin, but if you're going to buy £1,000 or £2,000 or £5,000 or £10,000 or £100,000 or €1,000,000 worth of Bitcoin, you're not going to do that on exchange. That'd just be silly. Do it through a broker, do it through a regulated broker, and they'll help with the whole transaction, make sure you don't screw it up when you're getting around your wallet and stuff like that. Guys, great to see you all on. Hit the like button, spread Bitcoin love, and remember, be greedy when others are fearful, because think of the long game, zoom out. This is an amazing technology, and you just got a 10% discount on it. And who knows, will you get more? I don't know. I'll buy more when it goes down more. That's just what I do. That's what I've always done. And I'll leave with this little Dinny bomb, because I haven't dropped a Dinny bomb in a while. I remember buying Bitcoin a couple of years ago, okay? And I remember I purchased it, okay? And then over the next month, I've seen it trade down. Traded down 60%. Do you know how hard that was? 60% a month after I bought it. Do you know what my biggest regret is? It's that I didn't buy more at the time. That I didn't buy more and take a bigger drop. Because hindsight is 20/20, and most of you are newer to the space, so you don't have hindsight yet. But you will! So keep educating yourself, keep learning, keep staying part of the community, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and any questions, let me know. Have a good day, guys. Dinny out.